Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a highly effective solution designed to tackle humidity in spaces up to 860 square feet. With a 35 pint capacity, it excels in removing excess moisture, making it ideal for bathrooms, basements, or any area prone to dampness. The compact and sleek design fits seamlessly into various home decors, and its portability allows for easy relocation throughout your home. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its smart technology. Equipped with a built-in humidistat, it automatically monitors humidity levels and adjusts its operation accordingly. This not only ensures optimal performance but also enhances energy efficiency, saving on electricity bills. The digital display is user-friendly, allowing you to set your desired humidity level with ease. The unit operates quietly, a crucial feature for maintaining a peaceful atmosphere, especially in bedrooms or living areas. While some dehumidifiers can be noisy, this model functions so discreetly that you might forget it's even running. Additionally, the continuous drainage option is a game-changer. It allows for hassle-free operation, eliminating the need to frequently empty the water tank. This is particularly useful during prolonged use, ensuring that you won't need to stop and check the unit constantly. Another notable aspect is its effectiveness in mold and mildew prevention. By maintaining optimal humidity levels, this dehumidifier helps protect your home from the harmful effects of moisture buildup. This is particularly relevant in areas where mold can thrive, providing peace of mind for families concerned about air quality. In terms of maintenance, the filter is easy to access and clean, contributing to the unit's longevity. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier stands out for its performance, design, and user-friendly features. It is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve air quality and reduce humidity in their living space, combining efficiency and convenience in a compact package.